We record a video. I record a video for you guys, and I told you we'll have a dip for 1 or 2 days. We get a minimum. We had the dip, and question is what's going on now. Dip might not be over. Daily chart is still very bearish, so wouldn't be bidding here. Plus money flow and RSI on the 6 hour. Look at how bad it is. Shorts are in the control. We just had a 1.6 million new shorts open, so we'll not be buying MooDeng today. I might be buying it soon. I'm just expecting a longer dip. We bought some other stuff, so I'm happy with that. Up to 174 grand still. On meme coins, we just took 1 or 2 trades today. Really good profit, as you can see. BOOX closed Sam. We announced it in the signals chat. So I can make another MooDeng update tomorrow or the day after. If this video just gets 10 likes, that's it. Also, drop your wallet, Solana wallets, in the description down below, and I'll be sending out some funds to some of you guys, so do check it out. Also in the link in the description down below, I'll have a link to my signals chat and my course, and also to BingX, who are giving away over 8 grand worth of welcome gifts. See you in this video. Bye.